Go Eagles! Go Ghana!
Stepped out with my new swag on, I'm dripping. If you wanna chill with a hot boy, come my way for a minute. Come my way for a minute. Step clean any day, won't see man slipping. But you might slip on a drip, man. Tip up the sauce and spill it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this is a recount of what happened on day 3. It was such a privilege to get to the Lincoln Financial Field. We went through security, first of all, our bags, everything was checked. And after we were cleared, we went into the drum line rehearsal room. It was awesome. Lisa took turns in playing the drums with the drum liners, and that was just phenomenal. My humbling, and I'm sure it was a humbling experience for the entire team, was when we walked into the center of the field with the American flag. Lisa, myself, all of us were actually in the lead with the American flag. That has been the highlight of this trip. I was super excited about that.
Jackson Memorial High School, U.S. Air Force, Junior ROTC Unit. Please join in singing our national anthem with Adeline Santos.
Oh, say that you sing my love for me like was so proudly we held at the toilets last week, whose was yours and birds songs through the perilous side, or the rambles we watched were so gallant we streamed, and the rugged gave proof through the night that our land was still there. Oh, sailors and star-spangled banner yet
But we've had so much fun. Lisa, come. What was your highlight for today? The drum line, of course.
Yeah.
She still got her sticks right here. But I think that I have to learn and better my skills. What do you think? Yeah, when I'm ready, I'll come and learn. But ladies and gentlemen, this is where we ended for day 3. But I think it is party time! Go Eagles! Go Ghana!